Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am using my March How to Love a Homemade kit for March, and I am featuring the Scrappin' Happy Studios epoxy flare for this. I am going to be fussy cutting out a majority of these gorgeous blue-purple roses. This is from a paper sheet from Flourish by Maggie Holmes, and I do believe the pink tiled one is Paige Evans. Yeah, and I think it's from Horizon. I could be wrong, but it's Paige Evans and Pink Paisley. So I am going to cut this beautiful tile along one of the ridges, and then I'm going to have this cascade as the idea of these blue purple flowers in a diagonal down the paper, and some tucking out of the tiled background too. And so I kind of like the monochromatic look of all the flowers, but you know me, I always have to add more color. So I pulled out a bunch of Flourish collection other ephemera that I have in my stash. So some of those like black and white pen ones, and that purple one is from Hobby Lobby, and then the other ones are from Flourish, but they're all like other, you know, poppies and other glittered flowers that also complement the blue flowers that I'm already fussy cut out to death. And then I was going to just mat it on a white mat, but then I had this crazy thought, like, let me go ahead and maybe just double mat this with something that's pink. And then I was like, let me triple mat this. I haven't done it. So triple matte is what I went with. So I have a hot pink, a light pink, and then a white border, and I'm using my corner rounder, because I love using the corner rounder when I want to keep, in essence, in my head, everything like soft looking, so there are no like harsh edges, and I don't like the 90-degree angle on my layouts lately, so I've just been on a round corner kick. So now my photo is triple matted, and I will pop it up on some fun foam along with a few other of the floral elements so that they can overlap on my picture and just give the rest of the layout some added dimension. Sorry about the change in light. Of course, after I fussy cut everything in last night, I come back in the morning to finish it up, and like that row of like light dots across my page is from the light peeking through my mini blinds. And I couldn't help it unless I closed the curtain, and then that would defeat all the natural light in my room. So sorry about that. So now I'm just arranging my flowers and seeing how I like them. I did think about having the photo on the bottom right corner, but then in the end I still liked it in the center. I even took a picture and sent it to my sister, and then took a picture and had Miguel input as well. So in the middle, the picture shall stay. The photo actually is this year, I always have to do like holiday photo shoots, so it was like the one I did with Valentina for Valentine's Day. It was a cute little dress I actually scored at Walmart, and so these were just some of the outtakes, you know, trying to do selfies. Of course, I'm smiling and looking full face to the camera, and my little one is probably watching birds fly right now. Who knows? She loves going to the park, chasing the birds, the squirrels, and squirrels have her heart, though. Anytime she sees a squirrel, it's like whatever she's doing, she's lightning bolting, trying to catch it. It's pretty funny and cute to watch. So I'm liking the arrangement of all of what's going on here, and so I start to commit to the placement. This purple one that I just took off the backing, that's actually from Hobby Lobby. I did mention that, and they are stickers. They're like a thick cardstock, but I didn't know they were stickers until a subscriber told me, and voila, I don't need to add tape to it. So I toy around too with the glue. I've been using this Fabri-Tex one because I did recently make a junk journal, a Disney junk journal. So those videos will be coming soon, and this Fabri-Tex glue is really good. So I just started using it for adhering my fun foam. And then also, what was it too? I've misplaced my fine line bottle. Is also the reason why I'm using the Fabri-Tex, because I can't find my fine line bottle to save my life right now. I've looked high and low, so I have to buy a new bottle of Scotch Quick Dry Glue, or what do we call it, tacky glue these days. And so yeah, that's the reasoning behind that. So I'm also, like I said in the beginning, using some epoxy flare from Scrappin' Happy Studio. So that little like mauvey pink One to the right of my photo, or no, to the left of my photo is from there. And I use like 3 other ones that are a little bit of a pale purple color, and ones that are like a minty blue color. I love the added interest they give to my layout. And so there's one that says remember, this one says dream on, and then the one that's purple says favorite. And I do love them, they're so great. So I'm a guest designer for them the next 2 months, so you'll be seeing them pop up on a lot of my layouts coming up. So I will leave the playlist of the other ladies. I changed the title here too. I first wanted Love You, and then I changed it to Happy. And that would end my video. If you would like to subscribe and see more crafty videos, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, bye everyone.